Theradome is really bringing back to me the sense of freedom that my hair gives me.
Now I've got a full head of hair and it looks good and it stays good.
So easy to use. It's part of my routine and I am starting to really see results. I could not be happier.
What I looked like 3 months ago versus today, what a difference.
When I first started seeing the results, it was probably around the 60-day mark. It looked like it was getting thicker, fuller, as opposed to as thin as it used to be.
I saw my hair thickening, less shedding, and I have seen hair grow in areas where it has not grown before.
The thing about Theradome, it's the technology that I truly believe in. It just made sense to me. It clicked with me.
The Theradome is very easy to use. You charge it up, you put it on your head, and then you go about your life for the next 20 minutes.
I don't lose motivation to keep using it because I'm seeing results all the time. Within a few weeks, I noticed little new hairs starting.
You can see after a bit of time that you've got some new hair growth and it starts giving you encouragement to keep going.
It just looks better. It's thicker, it's fuller, and I don't have to do as much worrying about it.
It's a product that really works and it just makes me feel fantastic.
It's been a wonderful friend for me, Theradome. It's helped me tremendously.